নমস্কাৰ মই অন্তৰা
আৰু মই অংকিতা
and we are
the Nandi sisters.
প্ৰথমতে মই আমাৰ সকলো অসমবাসী আৰু অসমৰ বাহিৰত থকা সকলোকে থ্যাংক ইউ ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ because we have all been working as a team
To fight this pandemic.
to fight this deadly virus. So thank you so much. আজি এইটো ভিডিঅ' বনোৱা কাৰণ হ'ল I want to bring to light a very noble work being done by মৰমত দাদা Rexis da আৰু
Dr. Ashma.
right. They have walked the extra mile and not just thinking about themselves, karin nijor kotha nabhabi, they have gone ahead and they've started helping underprivileged people. Amar অসমত especially গুৱাহাটীত থকা যিমান দুখীয়া মানুহ আছে, they've been facing a lot of difficulties যেতিয়া পৰা লকডাউনটো হৈছে. So Rexis da আৰু Dr. Ashma have gone ahead and they're taking care of the needs of these underprivileged people.
Not just food, but also regular basic needs, necessities.
আৰু not just human beings, they have also started taking care of আমাৰ যে মন্দিৰৰ বান্দৰবিলাক হয়, তাৰপিছত
পদুলিৰ মূৰত stray dogs,
exactly. So these are creatures that cannot speak, they can't ask for help, কিন্তু they have been facing a lot of problems. এতিয়া কোনো নাই ৰাস্তাত to help them, to feed them. Dada aru Dr. Ashma, they have gone ahead and they're feeding these animals. What I'm trying to say here is that nijor kotha to bhabiboy lagibo, we have to keep ourselves safe, kintu it is time that we also think about all other people, all other beings that we coexist with. Exactly. Aru nijor hata jiman tu ase, however we can, bolok ami agbari jao aru hokolure সহায় কৰি দিওঁ যিমান to whatever is in our hands, however we can. So thank you Rexis da aru Dr. Ashma for doing such noble work. And I would like to ask everybody watching this video to kindly step forth and let's all do our part.